Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to set or how to fix the Wi-Fi problem on your mobile phone. Okay, so friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to move on setting, then from here you have to scroll down to connection and sharing. Okay, so you have to click here. After you have been clicked here, again you have to scroll down to reset Wi-Fi mobile network and Bluetooth. Then from here you are going to find the Wi-Fi mobile data Bluetooth. Just click on the reset setting here. Here you have to confirm your pin lock, okay, or the any pattern lock or pin lock that you have been set on your mobile phone lock. Okay, so let's confirm it. Here I have finished to write my password. Then after you have been finished to write, click on next. Then here it says reset all network setting. Now this might take several seconds. You won't be able to undo this action. It means that it will take several seconds. It means it will take like 30 seconds, 40 seconds. It will not be like 5 seconds, 10 seconds. It will be much. Okay, so it says like that. So you just click on OK, and the Wi-Fi problem, mobile data problem, it will be fixed on your mobile phone. It will be set. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.